Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to uninstall the Microsoft Edge from your system. For any reason if you want to remove it, removing the Microsoft Edge is not recommended by the Microsoft. So let's try to remove it now. Simply open the Microsoft Store. Now search here WinToy. Install this app. Then click on Get option. And this will help me to uninstall the Microsoft Edge. Let's just open it. Once you open it, just click on this tool icon on the last corner, this option, and scroll down. Go to system here and scroll down and look for this option, Digital Market Act. Enable this option and then restart your PC. Restarted the system. Open now Edge, remove the programs here and search here Edge. Simply click on this option and now this button is highlighted. Just uninstall the application from here. So now let's see its location here. Okay, it's removed now. All the components are removed here inside this. Okay, so restart your system again. So this is how you can uninstall the Edge from your system.